All right, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? For you guys that decided to do the DIY route and try to repair your PS4 HDMI port, and it kind of went sideways, right? This guy just dropped off his console to me, and this is what I'm looking at. I got some ripped solder pads. All right, it's 19, supposed to be silver vertical chrome solder pads, 19. And you see, got a couple ripped off the motherboard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is major surgery, all right? So Spitfire Customs, this is what we deal with over here. All right. So if you have nowhere to turn, you need your PS4 up and running again, check me out, all right? I'm going to show you what's going on with this board. I have to run link wires to get this console. Hopefully we can get it back to the land of the living, right? We got some missing components right here. This one's kind of tilted. This one's missing. So I'm going to have to do some major surgery. I'll be back. I'll show you what's going on, all right? Cool.